In this episode of Come to Work with Me, I'm going to look at this work order here that says without capitalization, of course, why bother at a grade 4 effort. That the right side of the toilet is a handrail or grab rail, and its screws are or its base is very loose. And somebody looked at it and added this note that half the screws are ripped out. Hmm, where are the screws? Did anybody save them? Let's have a look at this thing. So this is the safety grab rail, and it's obviously missing two bolts on this side. So let's see if I can put in two of these toggle bolts without maybe removing the other two bolts. Or yeah, that's it. Why I don't want to take off the existing bolts is because they're bent. You can see how they are coming out, and yeah, I don't want to fully take them out. I just want enough space to get in here with my toggle bolt washer contraption thing here. So the first one is in or through. The second one is ready to be pushed through. Just needs a little bit of TRC and two hands. Yeah, so I'm trying to tighten the bolt, and of course it's pulling out because it's pulling apart. It's a piece of garbage as is. Yeah, obviously this one didn't want to go through, so we need to drill it first. Yeah, inside that's the tiny hole that we need to go through. It needs a little bit of drilling. I had to take out that bolt, trying to leave the existing ones in place. Of course I have to take it all off the wall because the holes are not big enough for these toggles to go through. Plus, these toggles are really badly made. The pin is tall on one side, but it's barely anything on the other side. So they are kind of opening and falling apart. And of course, all this carnage is garbage, stuff that didn't make it. That might be true about the whole box, new as it is. Alright, I abandoned toggle bolts, went with solid metal anchor, and so I have four identical large screws, no washers. If I apply some force down here, let's see how it's looking. That little bit of flex that's in the axle of the hardware, I didn't manufacture this, so I'm not responsible for that. Applying a lot of force down on it. I'm not doing tapes with it, but it's obviously not deflecting. It's holding well. Done. The miserable bracket.